Hello everyone, this is the COMICA XLR lavalier microphone. This is a complete unboxing and full review. So I just got this and just take a look at it. This is what's supposed to be inside. And this is model CVM-V02. So let's open it up and then we'll get into some of the specs and we'll have full examples of the audio from this after the talk. Alright, so let's check it out, see what it comes with. Alright, so out of the box, and what do we have here? Put that to the side. Here is the microphone itself. Let's take it out. It's very nice. It's a nice clip that we got on here. Let's take a look. Feels pretty sturdy. Made out of metal. Nice construction. Feels pretty good. Let's take it out of the plastic part. Here we go. And this is the XLR part right here. So as you can see, it's a three pin XLR right there. You connect it to your professional recorder. So if you have a XLR recorder, you'll be able to connect it right to that. So let's open it up and see how far this wire goes. Let's take this out of here. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of length to it. You take it out. So it looks like I will give it a good 4 feet. I'm gonna have to extend it out and see exactly how long it is, and I'll let you know what the length is actually. So what we have here is lavalier microphone with XLR 3 pins connectors, which I already showed you. It's low distortion, wide dynamic range, flat frequency response for broadcast quality, support for 48 phantom power, metal mic for super shielding, CNC process technology for accurate design, 1.8 soft silicone wire, comfortable touch and feeling. I tell you, it does feel pretty comfortable. The clip feels pretty sturdy. It's very nice. Let's see what else comes in the package. Let's put this to the side. So here we go. This is the, I believe it's called a cat, but if I'm mistaken, please let me know in the comments. And also let me know if you have this microphone, if you have used it. I'll be happy to hear. So there's the, so this is if you're in high wind situations, you put this on the microphone to cut out the high wind or any other high sound frequencies. You can dent it with it. So this is very nice. Sometimes these mics don't come with this, so this is very cool to see. Alright, let's take a look at the mic itself. Take this part off so we can actually see the microphone itself. Looks like it's not glued on there, so it should be able to come right off. Yep, it comes right off. Let me turn this around. Okay, so let's take a look here. So that's the microphone itself. Alright, and then if you wanted to add this to it in order to block out the sound, let me open this up real quick, take a look. It's not coming loose too fast, so let me see how. Open it up a little bit, and when we should be able to fit it right in. All right, guys, let's put it in there. See what it looks like. Let's close this back up. So that's what it looks like with the dead cat, as it's called, on the mic itself. Okay, so it clips It'll clip to your shirt or your wherever you want whoever you're interviewing, or if it's yourself, you put this on your shirt or wherever it's more convenient that it's out of the scene for your recording purposes. All right, so that's all that it comes with. Let me take this part out. So okay, stay tuned. We're gonna do some sound testing here, and we're gonna compare this with another mic that I have, and we're gonna have some audio examples right after the talk. The COMICA CVM-V02. All right, I'm excited to try this out, guys, and let's go right to the samples. This is an audio test for the COMICA lavalier microphone. It is clipped to my shirt by my neck, and it's being recorded into the Tascam in stereo. 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is without the foam. COMICA lavalier mic. 1, 2, 3. This is audio test number 2 for the COMICA lavalier microphone. It is clipped to my shirt by my neck, and it's being recorded into the Tascam DR05. Testing 1, 2, 3. Audio recording level on the Tascam is set at 30, and the microphone is now being powered, and it was also being powered in test number 1 with the 2 preeb for the power with all the levels set to 0. This is audio test COMICA with the foam on it. This is the foam cover on it. Audio test 1, 2, 3. Audio test COMICA lavalier mic into Tascam. 1, 2, 3. This is audio test number 3. This time with the dead cat that is provided by COMICA. This is the COMICA lavalier microphone with the dead cat attached. Audio test 1, 2, 3. This is going into the Tascam, and it's being powered by 2 PreSonus for the power with all the levels set at 0. This is the COMICA lavalier microphone with the dead cat attached. 1, 2, 3. Audio test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is an outside test for the COMICA lavalier mic. The manufacturer recommends that you do not record outside, but in case you do, this is what it would sound like. Audio test 1, 2, 3. This is audio test number 2 outside. The manufacturer recommends that you do not record outside, but if you were going to record outdoors, I'm standing about 5 feet away from the camera, recording into the COMICA lavalier mic and with the dead cat attached. Test number 2, audio 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, this is a demonstration what it would look like if you were clipping it to your shirt without the foam covering. This is exactly what it will look like. And by the way, the length of this cord is exactly 5.5 feet, for those of you who are wondering. Now this is an example of the mic with the original cover on there, with the foam, the black foam on the mic, and this is what it will look like. Now this is an example of what it will look like with the dead cat on the mic itself. Now obviously you probably wouldn't want it in your scene, so you want to probably bring it down lower where it's off scene. Okay, final results of the COMICA lavalier mic. I think it's a wonderful mic. It works really, really well. It's very sturdy. I love the clip. I'm recording this audio with it right now, so you get to hear the quality. Now all my previous tests, it was all the raw audio, so there was no equalization or anything else added to it, so what you hear is exactly what you're getting from the mic. Recommended not to be used outside because it's an omni directional microphone, although I did, so if you want to use it outside you can see those tests. Now the only thing that I think that can be improved is the length of the cord. It's only about 5.5 feet, so I think the cord could be longer. The second thing I would say is maybe add an adapter to this package so you can connect it to a regular camera, say like a little mini stereo adapter, because this is XLR, so you get 3-pin connector, and I think for professionals it works great and you're going to get that crisp audio and it's awesome. But I think for regular people that just have basic cameras or their phones even, an adapter will go really well. Although in 2019 they are going to come out with different versions of this, so stay tuned. So you might get a different connector for it. All right, so that's the last word. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this review. Tell me what you think, and I'll also add the product link to this awesome microphone. Thanks again for checking this out, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.